Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. This is the beginner-level course on Java. In this course, you will learn the basics of Java programming for a strong foundation. Please check out the animation video for the topics that you are going to learn in the current course.
In this video, we're going to walk you through the world of Java. Starting with a beginner-level course in Java can help you a lot in making your basics strong so that you can proceed to the advanced level comfortably. In the beginner-level course, you will be introduced to the OOPS concept first and the key features of Java technology. This will include Java Virtual Machine and software installation. You will explore the basics of Java programming that includes the objectives, identifiers, data types, constructors, and destructors. You will be introduced to the scanner class and creating different types of arrays. After this, you will be taught Java String, Java Encapsulation, Java Inheritance, Java Polymorphism, Java Abstraction, Java Collections, and different types of Lambda expression. Finally, the course will end with input-output fundamentals, creating and starting the thread, and terminating a thread. A summary for each concept will be provided to brush up on your knowledge. At the end of the course, a set of assignments and exercises will be given to make you practice what you learned.
Hope you will gain a strong foundation on Java programming with this course. Happy learning!